Oh my God, look, Courtney.
She sent me a picture of it. You need the actual.
I missed it.
Appreciate it.
Look at the back.
Because it ain't dark.
Oh my God. You just touched that. Look at that dog banging his head into the window.
Look.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
That's funny. Who's that dog?
Everybody wants. Are y'all scared?
No. That's funny.
Yeah.
He was special.
Y'all not scared? You scared, Josh? Yeah, right. Hey, y'all come out of the water. Oh, look right there.
Yeah, it went over here too. Oh, look, they tried to put big bike there. Oh, that was not he got me.
Yeah, he got us by.
Well, he ain't really get me, but that
He
was
got you.
crazy.
He got you.
Off the screen. Actually in the water. Look at this, Josh.
What is it?
Pop to weird.
Well, I guess my kids are growing up. We enjoyed the car wash. They didn't think it was scary. We was thinking it was going to be dark by 6, but it still was a little bit daylight, but we did enjoy. So thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on my next one. Bye.
No, I feel like if Link
Oh yeah, and if it's when it get really, really
See,
dark.
if it was dark, like if it was
I thought it usually get dark by 6. We had a really good time, even though it wasn't dark. Anyway, happy Halloween.